So we have this upgrade for Toby. There's a good clearance, so it runs on the tracks really good. There's no problems at all. I haven't tested on slope tracks, but it seems to look okay. See that? Perfect. Now, it comes in 3 different colors. There is a black right there. So you can choose, or might choose, which color you want. So I have also this one in white for those persons or people who wants to paint them blue and leave this color different, or the whole entire skirt black. Or you can even paint this one. Let me know in the comments, what's your opinion? So it is very easy just to swap these parts. Let's say this is for just demo purposes, and then put the shell or tab. Once you put it on, it might look it's loose, but it's not. It's tight, very tight. Nothing is loose. Perfect fit. So once you get it out of Toby, it might look, see how it looks. But once you put the top, it looks perfect. So I'm doing this without the tail, the coupler, so you can see how it works. See, it's tight, secure. The only thing is loose is the shell, the top, just a little bit. But I'm talking about this is the design, but this thing is press fit. It's the exact fit for Toby model. Like I say, it might look loose when you put just this piece, but once you put the shell or the top, it looks and it stays tight, secure. This one needs to be, there you go. See how tight it is? It does not fall off. Perfect. So I will put this on eBay soon. What do you think?